applied 5S. Let me start by setting expectation clearly. This is not a session on cleanliness. This is not about audits. This is about operational discipline that kind of delivers business results. Because if you want to understand the future performance of a plant, just look at the condition of its workplace. Why most 5S fails? In most organizations, 5S fails for predictable reasons. It is treated as housekeeping. It is implemented for audits, not for daily work. It is driven by other teams, not by their actual leaders. So the area looks clean today and becomes chaos again tomorrow. The hard truth is this: if 5S failed earlier, then leadership was failed, not operators. What 5S is actually for? 5S does not exist to make the shop floor look good. It exists to make problems visible, to expose waste and instability, to reduce mental load on people, and to create predictable performance. A clean shop without control is still a weak shop only. Cosmetic 5S versus applied 5S. Cosmetic 5S looks good. It is photo ready, audit focused and temporary. Applied 5S works good. It is problem ready, loss focused and permanent. So, if 5S does not reduce your losses, stop calling it 5S. It is not 5S. The core philosophy of applied 5S is anything that is not required for the next few hours of work is a waste. Yeah, that is a waste. Managers must ask daily to themselves or the supervisors or whoever the responsible person is there. They should ask, why is this here? For any material available in the shop floor, if he find like it should not be there, then he should ask, why is this here? Why this much of quantity if required? Why this location only? And why there is no standard? 1S, sorting. It is about decision making, not cleaning. Sorting is not cleaning, seriously. It's a management courage. Every obsolete items, excess inventory and emotional storage must be removed because space is not free. Yeah, space is money. Inventory is not automatically an asset and storage is never neutral. Red tag. Red tag is a powerful tool. Red tags means three things: no honor, no logic, no justification. Means if no one is accountable for an item, it should not exist. Red tag first, decide later. 2S, set in order. Eliminate thinking. A good system answers without asking. Yeah, the test of 2S is very simple. Anyone should find anything anytime within 30 seconds. Suppose if an operator has to think before acting, then 2S has failed. There are 5 freedoms in world class standard: search free, count free, bend free, climb free, air free. That means if people move unnecessarily, management decided that way. So, 3 reasons why 5S fails. First, wrong ownership. 5S is implemented by CI teams or some other teams that must be driven daily by shop managers only. Second, no link to losses. And third, meaningless audits. Never confuse audit scores with business improvement. Most 5S audits ask the wrong questions. Is it clean? Is it organized? Is it tagged? These are very wrong questions. But in applied 5S, you should better ask the questions: what is the cost of this material staying here? What loss appears repeatedly here? What problem keeps coming back? Ask a question management is afraid to answer. Every question. Shift audits to performance. If you want 5S to improve performance, audit must change. Is every storage really required? Does every item have a purpose? Do tools and parts flow automatically? Do systems expose waste and instability? Do problems now have countermeasures? These things you have to ask. Cleaning reveals oil leaks, wear, loose parts and unsafe conditions. Dirt hides problems, but cleanliness exposes the truth. Same problem, same workplace, same people, only decision has been changed. So, you can see before after photos. This is what sorting and flow clarity look like in a press shop floor. Notice the space, movement and visibility. Set in order, eliminate searching, standard, eliminate confusions. Work becomes predictable now. No standard means no control. Standardize the quantity, location, method and visuals because improvement without standard is an only enthusiasm. People don't sustain what leaders don't follow. So, sustainment comes from daily self-checks, leader Gemba walks, visible trends and recognition. Forced discipline creates resistance. Self-discipline creates ownership. Every leader must answer this honestly. Do I accept abnormalities? Do I bypass standards? Do I allow shortcuts? The shop floor behaves exactly like its leaders. What applied 5S enables? Without applied 5S, TPM fails, lean stalls, firefighting increases, but with applied 5S, flow stabilizes, problem surfaces early, and management intervention reduces. So, finally, 5S is not for operators, it is not for audits, it is not for photos. 5S is for leaders who want control without shouting. At least we can start with one area, do it properly and do it daily. There is no shortcuts, no dilution, no compromise. Excellence is not an act, it is an habit.